In order to create an assignment, the teacher needs to first sign in to the teacher portal of the school. In order to create assignment, the teacher needs to go to the sidebar menu, click on Create Assignment, or can also click on this plus icon, Add Assignment from the Classes page. The Create Assignment page refers to the details required to create an assignment. First, the teacher needs to choose an activity type. The activity type consists of the types of the activities that can be set as an assignment. For example, the teacher can select exams, assignments, homeworks, which are set by the admin beforehand. All the activity types are marked out of 100. Next, the teacher needs to select a grade. The teacher needs to fill up the name of the assignment. The teacher needs to select the due date, the session on which the assignment will be submitted. The teacher can also upload an assignment file. And finally, type in the details. Next, the teacher clicks on the Create Assignment button. And we can see this assignment is created successfully. The created assignment can be viewed from the All Assignments page. We can see the assignment is created. The teacher next can grade the assignment, edit the assignment, also delete the assignment. The teacher can also create assignment from the All Assignments page using the Create Assignment button. This is how a teacher can create an assignment.